Reno Low Rollers, we were playing some Railroad Riches, man. I just got the random trigger 10-cent denomination $22 bet, $186 to start. Let's get all the way to the top and get that gold train bonus. Let's go, red triangles. Come on, baby, red triangles. Come on, baby, red triangles. We need some of the golden trains. Come on. Please get me to the top. Oh, come on. What is these shitty? We need the golden trains and the red triangles. Let's go. There we go. We're moving up one level. Okay, another red triangle. Come on, golden doors too. Where are you at? Golden doors. Golden train. Let's go. We got that one up there. So if we get two more, we're golden train. Oh, please, for the love of God. Yes. One more. One more. And the golden train on a $22 bet. That's where you drop $4,000 cars. Come on. Red freaking triangle, please. Do it! Save it! No! What a shitty win for a $22 bet. $273. Alright guys, I'll be back with another spin and another win. Hey there, Reno Low Rollers. We're playing some Railroad Riches, man. 10-cent denomination, $7.50 bet. We just got the luck has arrived. Let's see if we can't, for the first time ever, land that gold train bonus. Alright. Let's go, $36 coin right in the middle. Okay, what we need is the little red triangles to move up. Let's go. All right. Green. All right. So the green is like the Railroad Express, where you get the trains that go across. Big numbers, baby. $2. Ah, weak, man. $7. Get another train. Come on. Second one. Okay. Well, it's better than nothing. Let's go. We did those little red triangles right there. That's what we need to move up. I've never gotten all the way to the top. Can I get to the top today? Let's go. Gold doors. Gold doors. Let's move up. Let's move up, baby. There we go. We're moving on up in the world. All right, let's get some more red triangles. Let's go. Come on, to the top. I'll be right out there. All right, another gold door. Let's get the red train. Okay, so the blue train just adds to it all. Come on, red triangle. Let's go. Come on, red triangle. Oh, there's a red triangle. We need to get up there. Save it. Oh, you dirty prick. All right, well, it's $100. Check that out, guys. Okay, I'll be back with another spin and another win. 150. Hey there, Reno Low Rollers. Check it out, man. I just naturally landed the bonus. 8 games, 10-cent denomination, $7.50 bet. Let's go. Big coins. Saloons. Saloons. Oh, not you. We want the money bags all the way across. Guns. All right, we got guns. And queens. Ooh! Yes! Bonus in bonus time. Coins. Coins. Oh, money bags. Oh my God. That's good. $222. All right. $260 total. All right, let's do that again. Do that again. Random. What we need is the coin right in the middle. Coin. Come on, baby. Do the coin. Do the coin. Please. Not that. Come on, do the coin. Coin. Keeps passing. Something good. Oh, we got shafted, man. $290 win. All right, guys. It's better than a kick in the face with the golf fleet. And with that, I'm going to take my win and I'm going to walk. Have a good day, you guys. Guys, last spin, I was going to walk away. Coins. Coins. Oh, it's the bonus again. Back to back bonus, baby. Let's go, man. I was going to walk away at 300. I had 750 left. Let's do it, baby. Big win. Bonus and bonus. Coins. Not that. Come on, coins. In the middle, please. Just once in my life. All right. Random trigger. Do the coin. Oh, please do the coin. We got the coin. Yes. Let's go. All right. Please let me get all the way to the gold train. I've never won a grand on this game before. I've never won a major. I've never won a minor. I've never won a mini. Let's get something good. We need the gold triangles up on the side. Let's get something good. All right, right off the bat. 2 gold doors. Let's go. All right, red train. No, we want the purple train. Yeah, we got the purple train. Every spin now, he's going to add money. Now we want the green train. Oh, another purple train. Oh, my God. All right. So every spin, they're going to add. Oh, my God. This is going to be a good bonus. So up to 31 on that one. A blue train. So all 3 of them are going to add. Nice. Hell yeah, $42 now. Come on, baby. Bam. Next one you need is the green train and another red triangle. Come on, baby, red triangles. Please get me to the top. Oh, please get me to the top. I've never been to the top. Yes! Okay, 2 more of those and we're in the gold train bonus. Let's go. Red triangle. All right, added to 5 of them. So it could add to 1 or more. Come on, red triangle. Red, collect all. We want that red train now to collect all. All right, it's a blue train. It's a building to all. Let's go, come on, red triangle. Red triangle. Please, baby. $75 on that blue one. Let's go. Red triangle. Ooh, it's going, it's going, it's going. Keep going. Oh my God, that was a good hit. Oh, keep going, keep going, keep going. Oh my God, that was a good hit. Red triangle, please. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Please get me to the top. Red triangle, red triangle, red triangle. Oh my God, red train, red train. It's a blue. Then it's going to be an add more. Another blue. All right, this is a hell of a good bonus. Red triangle. Oh, red train. Another blue train. Let's go. Oh, we might break 100 with that one. Okay. Come on, red triangle, please. Let's go. Red triangle, please. Come on, I've never gotten all the way to the top. Can today be the day that I get all the way to the top? Oh my God, these is good numbers. Red triangle. Red train. Ooh, that one's catching up. Oh, 100, 100, 110, 120. Let's go. Let's go. Oh my God. Oh my God. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Don't stop. Oh my God. I didn't know the purple train could do that. Holy crap. 140, 140, 150. Green train. Let's go. Let's get some good numbers. Oh my gosh. This is amazing. Okay, big numbers, baby. Give me some words. $3, $3, $1, $3, $5. Second train. Come on, that's not good enough. Give me another train. Come on, do it again. Ah, you're dirty. Oh, we still have him. Do that again. Do that again. $200. Let's go. Oh my God. Have you guys ever seen this game do this with these purple trains? Add them that high? Wow! We might get to a hand pay. Oh my God, $200, let's go. That's at 200. Let's get this under 200. Oh, 190, 215. Holy crap. Come on. Red train, red door, I mean. Red door, baby, come on. Red, ooh. We need that triangle, baby. We have a gold train up there. Yes, that's a collect all. Holy shit, this is a hand pay. Oh my God, that's 1,300 right there. Oh, yes. Oh my God, hell yeah. Psycho it out, let's go. Oh, that's almost at $200. Come on, red door, red choo-choo, red something. If we get another red train, dude, that's a collect all. This is like a $5,000 hand pay. Come on, red triangle. Red, 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 red. Please, please be red. Please be red. Please be red. Ah, it's blue. Go psycho on this one. Psycho. Ah. Let's go. Red triangle, please. Build it up. Let's go. Wow. Let's go. Come on, red thingy. Oh, it's a nice hand pay right here. Come on, baby. We need that red triangle. Red triangle. Come on. We need to get to the top. Let's go, baby. Red triangle. Land it. Yes, we got it. We need one more and we get the gold train. Red. Ah, it's purple again. Holy crap, we have 3 purples. And these things could go nuts. Let's go. Come on, baby. One more red. One more red. Those things are everywhere in there. Let's get that gold train. Let's get that gold train. Yes, it is good. And it's funny because I was going to cash out at 300. It was my last spin. Let's go. Red triangle, please. All right. Red train. Red train. That's what we need there. Red train. Oh, please be the red train. Do it. Red train. Oh, it's the green one. Okay.
That's good.
It could be good. It could be good. Let's go. Come on. Big numbers, baby. Let's see. $1. That's not good. $3. That's terrible. $1. Come on, baby. $2. Give me a word. $3. All right. It's $10. That's a baby number. It's okay. All right. Let's have one more purple. All right, come on. We need the red triangle. Red triangle, baby. Come on. Go psycho. Red triangle. 3 more of those. Let's go. Go psycho. Okay, come on, babe. Ooh, yes! Hell yeah! Boom! First time landing the gold door. It's not. It's got to be red. It's got to be red. Yeah, baby! Oh, hell yeah. Damn. That's a big hit right there. Let's do that random again and get that gold train while we're at it. Let's go. Come on, baby. 6 more spots for the grand. Come on, I want that little red triangle. Oh my gosh. Come on, red triangle. Do it. Wow, this is a bonus. Do it. Look at this win, you guys. Over $5,000 win. Holy crap. $6,000. $750. And it was my last spin. I was going to cash out at 300. I had $307.50 left. Boom, you guys. I will be back when they are put. Oh, I still got more bonus. Oh my God, I forgot I was still in the bonus. Yes. $6,000. Let's go. Can we get anything else good while we are here? Do something stupid now. Another $100. Can we get to $10,000? If we get the money bags all the way across, that's a big hit. Guns. Oh, you dirtbag. Let's go. Money bags. Oh, it's not going to give me anything else. It's like I gave you too much. But yeah, that's it. $6,393, you guys. Holy shit. Let's go. Railroad riches. I love you. I'll be back when they're putting money in my hand. All right, guys, they're here to pay me. There's $5,000. Boom, you guys. And here, hold on, guys. For you, for you. Thank you.